Hi friends. Welcome to today's video on seed germination of sweet lime. Let's take a sweet lime. Take out the seeds. Soak it overnight for 6 to 12 hours in fresh water. Look the seeds. Take it out from the water. Remove the outer coating from the seeds. Put it on tissue paper or paper towel. Sprinkle some water. Fold up properly and lock in a Ziploc bag. Label the bag. Kept the date of opening as 10th of October means 10 days from today. Jump to the 10th day. Open the Ziploc bag to check whether the seed is germinated or not. Take the germinated one place into the soil.
Taking a look on the second day, the seed is transformed into the saplings.